Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi. This is the reading for you for the first 15 days of December, and as you know they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what we have for Aquarians. Okay, we have the Seven of Swords. Okay, Devil and the Judgment. Okay. The Page of Wands, the Five of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, the Hermit, and the Seven of Cups. Nine of Cups. Just pulled out one more. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Aquarians. Okay, the King of Hearts, the Three of Spades, and the Ten of Clubs. Okay. Guidance from the angels. Seven of Thought. Okay. So Aquarians, you are dealing with some sort of deception, definitely. With the Seven of Swords, the Devil, and the Judgment, definitely some sort of deception is going on. Somebody is hiding something from you, somebody is cheating, somebody is being sneaky, somebody is either playing with your emotions, whatever it is a very, very toxic behavior of somebody here. And what I feel here is it is a repeated pattern, or it is a behavior which is always there. This person keeps on behaving in the same way again and again, perhaps, or it's you, whatever. So this situation is sort of persistent in your life. That's what I feel. You're not able to get rid of this habit of yours or of the other person, whatever it is. And with the Judgment, what I feel is now you want to take a decision. That's what I feel. Either you gave a second chance to this person, or this is somebody from your past, that again this situation has come up. It can be that also, or maybe you have given a second chance to this person and still they are behaving the same way, and now you really want to take a decision. You really want to take a decision now. That's what I feel. And here with the Page of Wands, the Five of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles, what I feel here is that now you really want to take a decision. As I said, with the Two of Pentacles, there have been arguments, there have been fights, things are just not happening, and you are in a mode of deciding things because you really feel that it's rendering you lifeless. Okay, it's draining you energetically and emotionally. You are not even able to focus on anything. You are just becoming sort of feeling lifeless, and you're just living life as if in a very monotonous way. Very it's something which doesn't have any enthusiasm, doesn't have any zeal to it, doesn't have any purpose to it. It is that sort of a life which you are living, and it is a robotic type of a life which you are leading. That's what I'm getting very, very strongly here. And you're just doing the work what needs to be done, or whatever your daily routine is, whatever your responsibilities are, you are handling them because they need to be held. That's your duty. So you're doing all your duties, you're doing, fulfilling whatever your duties are, responsibilities are, but you yourself are not even interested in what is going on in your life. Okay, your eyes are somewhere else, you're thinking about something else, your mind is something somewhere else, and though you are doing it is just like a robot. You are doing things, you're doing the work, you're doing the responsibilities without any affection, without any feelings, without any love. It is just happening. Okay, just you, because you're supposed to do, you're doing it. There are lots of fight, but now what I feel is you are in a mode to decide. You really want to decide because you are getting drained a lot in this situation. And here we have the Queen of Swords. So what I feel here is with the Queen of Swords, the Hermit, the Seven of Cups, followed by the Nine of Cups. So what I feel here is with the Queen of Swords and the Hermit, you are actually trying to make a decision, really giving it a deep thought, looking for the answers within, because this is a situation which is totally draining you in every way. Okay, and here you really want the right answers as to what to do, and the right answer which you are getting here is that detaching yourself from the situation which is, and becoming cold really towards it. You are not investing in it, you are regaining your power, coming into your own power, totally being cut off from this situation. That is what your inner voice says, and here you are turning your back to that situation and moving ahead in life, looking for more options or better options or a new direction. Okay, and now you are just deciding which cup to choose from the Seven of Cups, and what you are looking for is the Nine of Cups. You are looking for happiness, you are looking for contentment, you want emotional gratification, you just want happiness, and that is what you are choosing now. You are open to the new opportunities, new vistas of life, new ideas, whatever this is, new people, whosoever it is, or a new relationship itself, but you want happiness. You are just turning your back towards the situation and focusing on your happiness. You are really choosing, you have many opportunities, you have many options, I should say. So you just want to choose the right one to get this emotional happiness, and that is what you will be doing. And here with the King of Hearts, the Three of Spades, and the Ten of Clubs over here, you are trying to moderate a situation in a very wise way. You have done it enough, and you are really tired and sick and tired of dealing with it. It's causing you a lot of heartache, a lot of heartbroken situation is there. Okay, and you just feel as if you just can't deal with it. It's coming, it's like it's even crossing your nose sort of. Okay, it's too much. You feel too burdened, too blocked. You can't even look beyond for your own life. It's just beyond you now, okay, to deal with this situation. Okay, it's come to your nose, it can't get any more. Okay, so that is your situation when you are dealing with this person or whatever this is in your life. So this is how you are feeling, and you really you're just doing things like without any emotion, without anything, just fulfilling your duties in this situation. The guidance from the angels, Seven of Thought. You've been confused about a situation in your life, and now suddenly everything is completely clear to you. Whether the truth was revealed by your angels, disclosed by a friend, or discovered on your own, it feels great to be awake and aware. Feel free to ask for the time alone if that is what you want, or if that is what you need. And that is what you're doing. You're taking the time alone, trying to make a decision. Maybe this is a cheat. This cheating was told to you by someone. Maybe some friend of yours told you. Maybe you came to know about it, and that is what the judgment is. You came to know the truth over here, and now you have to make a decision, because this is the habit of this person. They just don't improve, or whatever the situation is, just not improving. Okay, so Aquarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.